Hey Kipsters, welcome to our week of independent work. This week you're going to be working through some readings on your own while I am getting ready for most of you to join us in the building next week. So here's some instructions for how to do the assignments for this week. They're all going to be on CommonLit. So you're going to find an assignment each day that says a CommonLit assignment. You're going to click on the one for the day that we are on, and it's going to take you to this screen. Always log in with Google. You're always going to log in with Google. Now, for today, just to show you what it looks like as a student, I'm going to log in as Keenan. So you're going to log in. It might ask for your password. You go ahead and put in that password. If you get this screen right here, you're going to say connect to my Google Classroom account. And again, put in your Google account. You'll hit allow. And now you are into CommonLit. Now, as you look through here, you're going to see an assignment up at the top. This one isn't listed yet because I'm recording this video beforehand. But when you see the assignment, you're going to see it just like this, and you're going to work through it. Remember, on any of these, you need to do the guiding questions. So after I read a little bit, I'm going to hit question 1, and it'll show me that question. When I give an answer, it'll show me if I'm right or not. There we go. And that's the right answer. Now it's going to let me keep reading. So if you see that it's kind of blank like that, that's because you have to hit the question and answer the question before it will let you keep reading. After you're done with that, we have one more question. And then we are going to hit continue. And then you're going to start the assessment. This assessment is going to be more multiple choice questions. So look at the text in order to answer each one. You're going to give some answers. You're actually going to read very carefully though. I'm just showing you what it looks like. Here is where you will write any short answer questions. And when you are finished, you are hitting save and next, submit your assignment. Yes, submit. And that's it. That is your assignment. It is finished and it is ready for me to grade. So this week, you're going to be doing all of these independently. Each day you will have a reading, and that reading has something to do with the next book that we're going to read. I wonder who can figure out what the next book is going to be about based on the articles that you read this week. So make sure to log in every day to finish that CommonLit assignment. Read carefully, and as always, look for that text evidence. I can't wait to see all of your work.